Everyone, myself Shagun Anshu Shekhar, and I wanted to take a moment to share my experience during this medical internship program. So, when I first joined this program, I thought I would be learning about diseases, procedures, and maybe a bit about hospital, how it works. But what I discovered was something much deeper. I saw the soul of medicine, not just in machines or medications, but in people, emotion, and the quiet acts of care. Like at Safdarjung Hospital, I met children suffering with cancer with smiles that could melt your heart. We handed them toys, but honestly, they gave us more, a lesson of courage, in joy, and in what it means truly to fight. More than anything, this journey reignited something within me, a deeper passion for medicine, not just as a profession but as a purpose. Becoming a doctor isn't simply a career choice, it's a promise to keep learning, keep showing up, and never forget the humanity behind every heartbeat. And so do the mentors, organizers, and the doctors who guided us, and the patients as well who let us witness their strength. Thank you so much. You didn't just teach us about medicine, you reminded me of why I chose this path and why I will keep on choosing it every single day.
Everyone, I am Pihu Gupta from 11th grade. I am really thankful to Medimind's internship program and Doctors for You office. They have really helped me realize about the reality of medical field. They've also helped me make the decision for my future career and its path. They have given me such wonderful experiences going to different refugee camps and public and private hospitals.
My name is Meherpreet and I'm from Delhi International School, class 10th. This internship program gives us a hand-on experience of the practical life, what basically happens in a hospital, about the life of doctors, and it's a great opportunity for the one who are going to pursue medical career in the future to have an experience on what basically they are going to do in the future. Along with that, we also get career counseling over here so that we get a clear idea of what we are going to take.
Over the past 1 week, I've learned and grown exponentially, developing essential skills and gaining hands-on experience in a dynamic healthcare environment. This internship has not only honed my medical knowledge but also instilled in me the values of compassion, empathy, and professionalism.
Good morning, everyone. This is Ankita Agrawal. I am actually pursuing to be a doctor, aspiring NEET aspirant, and this Medimind's internship has provided me a lot of hands-on experience and an exposure that how actually things work in medical hospitals, and that is very inspiring and motivating to me.
Hi, myself Arya, 10th grader in Delhi International School, Dwarka Sector 23. I recently had a great experience with the Medimind's internship program. As I personally aspire to be a doctor, it gave me hand-on experience and the real exposure of the medical field. Like we visited government hospital, private hospital, refugee camps, and we also conducted health camps at the underdeveloped areas. It showed the importance of the healthcare outreach. My favorite part was when we learned and performed CPR. It was very interesting.
Hello everyone, this is Nahek Shava from Alcon Public School, and I'm here today to share my experiences of this week-long internship where I was a partner. Experiences have a tendency to change our ideologies about particular profession that thought it. This is exactly what this internship offered me. It gave me experiences, insights, and of course, knowledge. It helped me visualize a lot of branches of medicine which to me earlier were not only theoretical. Throughout the course of this program, we were able to visit a lot of slums, a lot of healthcare setups, 2 hospital setups, and also be a part of a lot of organizations led by several doctors and other medical professionals. But after all, at the end of the day, it is daily humanity which makes us feel at home. Overall, I was really glad to be a part of this thoughtful initiative. Thank you.